cross, cross, turn, click, step, rock, step. I'm taping you video. Okay, on the end, click, step, rock, step. Okay, just turn, click, and go up, step, rock, step. So drop that heel. After that, you drop basics, and you're going to turn, and you're facing the back. You're going to turn to face your partner, right over left. Basic, double step, rock, step. Okay, so you're going to balance that on the first one, and then turn. Okay?
Your sister has it. Go.
Okay, okay, so basic, basic, basic. Okay, then you're going to turn, you're going to drop that top hand, continue turning if you're a girl, and grab on that left rock step. And then the basic to kind of get set. Then you're going to do two triples to turn into the center. So you're going to do left, triple. Then you're going to end up right into the center. You've got 2 ways to run. So you're turning your circle in. Then if you are a girl, you're going to cross over and right. So 2 basics. You're going to grab your partner's hand and roll across. And so you're going to be facing into the circle and you just switch spots. Okay, so you're here. From here, you're going to pivot, so you're going to muscle all turn, drop your hand, pivot, turn, and then step and walk. Okay? And that's going to get you to the end of that section.
All right.